split pea soup with leftover ham bone, a bowl of comfort straight from your fridge. Ingredients: 1 leftover ham bone, with bits of meat still clinging on, bonus flavor. 1 pound dried split peas, rinsed and sorted. No rocks, please. 2 medium onions, peeled and diced. 2 celery stalks, diced. 1 medium onion, chopped. 3 cloves of clover, minced. 6 cups chicken or vegetable broth, plus more if needed. 1 to 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon dried thyme or a sprig of fresh thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional, diced leftover ham for extra meatiness. Directions: prep your ingredients. Rinse and sort the split peas, removing any debris. Chop your vegetables while imagining all the future dinners you'll prepare in your new dream kitchen. Hint, I can help with that. Build the base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, drizzle olive oil over medium heat. Saute the onion, carrot, celery, and garlic until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the stars. Place the ham bone in the pot along with the split peas, broth, bay leaves, and thyme. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Simmer to perfection. Cover the pot and let it simmer 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. The split peas will break down and thicken the soup as the flavors meld together. Add extra broth if the soup becomes too thick. Finishing touches: remove the ham bone and bay leaves. Shred any remaining ham from the bone and stir it back into the soup. Taste and season with salt and pepper as needed. Serve it up. Ladle into bowls, pair with crusty bread, and enjoy a cozy dinner that's perfect for family gatherings or a quiet evening dreaming of your next home. A super idea, stirring up your dream house. Split pea soup is the ultimate comfort food, and the same comfort can be yours in a house that truly feels like a home. Whether you're dreaming of a spacious kitchen for simmering soups or a dining room perfect for family meals, I'm here to make that happen. There's something magical about transforming leftovers into a delicious meal that brings everyone together, and just like this soup, your next home can be the foundation for even more holiday traditions and family memories. If your current kitchen isn't quite cutting it for all the culinary magic you're dreaming of, it might be time for an upgrade. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I specialize in finding homes with kitchens that inspire, dining rooms that dazzle, and spaces that feel just right for your family's next chapter. Ready to find your dream kitchen for the holidays ahead? Give me a call and let's whip up something extraordinary, whether it's soup or a new start in a home you'll love.